Next thing is people are asking which oil they should use. So first and foremost thing, coconut oil stop using, because coconut oil is extremely cooling in potency, and if somebody has viral fever and any kind of fever, they should avoid coconut oil, and instead of coconut oil you can use sesame oil, or you can use mustard oil, sunflower oil. Sesame oil has little bit smell, so many people not use for cooking. But you can use mustard oil, you can use sunflower oil. All these oils are good for health, but make sure if you are using oil, use these oils in very less quantity, much 1/4 of the quantity that you are using when you are normal, when you don't have any kind of fever. Another most important thing that you need to do, cut down all the sugar level, all the sugars from your diet. And when it comes to sugar, it's very important that you cut down your milk diet. If you are having any kind of fever, especially viral fever, you remove the milk from your diet, especially all those people who are taking a big glass of milk at night. I am not against milk. I'm vegetarian, but when it comes to fever, you should stop using milk and remove all the milk products from your diet, so that your body will have more energy to heal itself, rather than all the energy will get used to digest the milk and heavy things. So it is very, very important you stop using milk for those days when you are having fever. So what to drink, because when somebody has fever, there is a tendency like they want to drink something hot. So you can have herbal teas like tulsi tea, you can have. Excess of ginger don't use, because now summer is there, ginger is extremely hot in potency, and then it will cause nausea. So ginger try to avoid use. You can use little bit of mint leaves, you can use little bit of tulsi leaves, that is tulsi basilicum or tulsi camphorum. Both have antiviral properties and they are very good for chest. So these two things you can use. You can prepare decoction of that, or teas for that, or any kind of hot soup of vegetables. So any kind, if you are feeling hydration, like if you are feeling dehydrated and you think like doctor have recommend like keep your body hydrated. So the way to keep your body hydrated is not only having watermelons. You can also keep your body hydrated by having enough vegetable soups, and this will be more beneficial for your system, because they are easy to digest and your body will have more strength for recovery, and you will see like you will feel good after drinking all these soups. But make sure these soups should not be from market, they should be from home cooked soups. How to make it? Take any vegetable, peel the outer peel, especially carrot soup is very beneficial, spinach soup is very beneficial, and just boil it in a pressure cooker, or like whatever way how you make soups in the home. But don't use any kind of these chemical sauces in it. Put little bit of pepper into it and little bit of salt. I know it doesn't taste much tastier, but this is the time that your body needs health. So try to have these food which is beneficial for your body. In addition to that, remove all the sugars from your tea. If you are drinking tea, any kind of tea you are drinking, try to remove the sugar out of it. Any kind of biscuits if you are using, don't try to have these kind of biscuits. Try to have freshly home cooked food and try to eat it as fresh as possible and hot. Try to avoid all refrigerator things that are not so helpful for fever or your lungs. So these things are extremely beneficial. You can also have brown chickpeas soup. Brown chickpeas soup is extremely beneficial, especially in viral fever, because these chickpeas, they are brown chickpeas, they gives a lot of strength, and this is the decoction, or this is the soup that we recommend in Ayurveda, especially for the people if you are having any kind of lung inflammation or any kind of chest infection or any kind of fever. So this soup is very, very beneficial. So brown chickpeas, how you can do, you soak yesterday night, you soak these brown chickpeas overnight, and in the morning you just boil these brown chickpeas after washing it properly. boil these brown chickpeas, and even these brown chickpeas are a little bit sprouted. These chickpeas can also be used and boil it in pressure cooker for 2-3 whistles, and after that you can take a big bowl of soup of this brown chickpeas. So, this will be extremely beneficial for your health and especially in viral fever. In addition to that, if you want to have guava, you can have guava. Guava is a very rich source of vitamin C as a fruit, and it also has a property to remove the kapha from the system, but at the same time make sure the guava should be fully ripe. It should not be unripe, otherwise it will cause stomach pain. And if you are having guava, please have it either in the afternoon or in the morning. At night, don't eat guava because sometimes it causes stomach pain.